So people keep asking me, when am I going to sell my Bitcoin? Let's talk about that a little bit. They're also asking me, when am I going to sell my Tesla stock? And the answer is the same. If you want to go ahead and get started buying stocks and cryptocurrencies and don't know where to begin, let me suggest that you go over to Webull, follow the link in my description, and open an account there. Once you open your account, you will immediately receive 2 free stocks. Those stocks are valued at anywhere from $2.50 each to $250 each. All you have to do is open the account. You don't have to do anything else, and you will receive those 2 free stocks, but you have to open the account before December 1st. Then deposit $100 or more into that account, and you will receive 2 more stocks valued at a minimum of $8 each to a maximum of $1,600 each. So you're looking at a minimum of a 21% return on investment. But who knows, you could end up with a lot more than that. Anyway, link is in the description. Go ahead and click on that and get started today. Basically, when you sell an asset, whether it's a digital asset or anything really, you're trading something that you don't want for something that you want more. When you sell Bitcoin, you are getting rid of the Bitcoin because you want the dollar more. When you sell Tesla stock, you are getting rid of the Tesla stock because you want the dollar more. By thinking of it that way, when do I want to sell my Bitcoin, or when do I want to sell my Tesla? Never. Why would I trade this for this? Or why would I trade this for that? It's always a bad decision to sell Tesla. It's always a bad decision to sell Bitcoin. It is never a good decision to sell growth for failure. So hang on to it always. People may ask, well, how do you use it then? What good is it to have your wealth tied up in something that is not liquid? Well, what do the smart people do? They don't sell, because the moment you sell, you expose yourself to tax liability, because unless you do it in a way that's private, like a Bitcoin sale to a private person. But if you trade your Bitcoin on an exchange, or if you sell your stocks, you're immediately exposed to capital gains taxes. You're immediately exposed to income taxes, and you don't want to do that. That's an immediate loss, and so not only are you losing a winning asset, you're gaining a crap asset, and you're having to pay tax on top of that. So what do? Well, the wealthy people, they don't ever sell that. They borrow against it. So you have a bunch of stocks. Well, you can take a loan against those stocks, use those stocks as collateral, and live off borrowed money. You don't pay taxes on money you borrow. And if you do the loans right, the interest you pay is a tax deduction. So anyway, that's my advice. That's my tip. That's what I'm doing. It's not financial advice. I'm not supposed to say that. I'm not a qualified, licensed financial advisor, but that's what smart people do. That's what I'm doing. I'm never, ever trading Bitcoin or Tesla for US dollars or any other government fiat currency, ever. There may come a day when, and I believe this will happen, there'll come a day when people will be able to trade stocks for cryptocurrencies directly, and they'll be able to do it privately. That day's coming. It'll be many years from now, probably, but financial privacy is something we're all fighting for, and eventually that's what we're going to have. So anyway, hope you like this little video. Please give it a like, share, thumbs up, and a comment. Let me know what you think. When do you think is a good time to sell? Do you agree with me? And if you do think it's a good idea to ever sell something like a Tesla stock or a cryptocurrency that's like Bitcoin that's always winning, please explain why you think so. So anyway, thanks a lot, and I'll see you on the next video.